Hi there, Teja. It's Andrew once again, ready to correct your technology essay. So let's have a look at how you responded to this question. This is a fairly difficult question to respond to because it contains the request, should humans adapt to technology, or should technology be adapted to humans? So what we need to consider is, do humans need to change their behavior to suit advances to technology? Or should humans only develop technology that serves our existing needs? And as well as this, in addition, we need to state whether we believe that it has benefits or drawbacks for our intellectual capabilities. Are we becoming smarter due to needing to learn about technology? Or is our over-reliance causing us to become stupid? Let's have a see what you wrote. So first of all, I would try not to conclude anything in your first sentence. Maybe we could say, while technology has tremendous benefits for society, we don't need this. While technology has tremendous benefits for society, it presents a risk of dependency. Personally, I believe that computers, tablets, and email have made life easier for people, but individuals should take care to limit their use. Saying that there should be a limit kind of talks about that there should be an external limit, that maybe a government should set a limit. But these sorts of things, the use of technology, is very much a personal choice. No government is ever going to tell you how much you can use your computer. It's always going to be your choice. So here, while you do mention all of the question, I would personally mention about the adaptation as well. Something along the lines of, personally, I believe that adapting to emerging technologies has brought convenience as well as additional skills to people. But without a limit on their usage, dependency may develop. And then we can talk about discussing both views. Firstly, due to their profitable nature, the majority of companies are now using computers and software to develop their products. This is due to the fact that items can be manufactured with precise specifications. We could say automatically manufactured. And then we can take out this piece here. This is due to the fact that items can be automatically manufactured with precise specifications according to customer requirements. Furthermore, designs can be modified. Designs can be modified I don't like the single click of a button thing, because it's not a single click of a button, is it? A design, if you're going to modify a design, it's certainly going to require more than that. So let's be more precise here. So let's say that computer-aided design allows for the modification of a specification much more easily than if it were manual. For example, a recent study by the US government, no plural, the US only has one government, showed that 70% of jobs in the labour market require people to have an operational knowledge of computers. It is therefore clear that humans must adapt to advancing technology. I would always replace this with must. Secondly, the majority, again, this I would replace with the majority of people are becoming increasingly dependent on devices such as computers, tablets, and smartphones, to the point where answers can be sought to any question immediately. The fact that electronic gadgets have become cheaper, and the internet has become more accessible, has led to a convenient and easy method of acquiring information. And then I would say this has led to a decline in logical reasoning among children as they are using the internet to complete schoolwork. For example, a recent study by the UK government, or a recent study by the government of UK schools, demonstrated that 75% of students completed their assignments by copying the text from online materials. Consequently, it is clear that rational thinking is decreasing due to the use of technology. To conclude, from the above examples and arguments, I firmly believe, so we don't need this comma here, I firmly believe that adapting to technology is necessary for humans, I would say. However, we should define the boundaries for its usage so that it does not impact cognitive abilities. Let's say cognitive abilities. Otherwise, this is really good, very clear. There were only minor corrections I had to make there. Well done. So next, in these job application letters, we want to be really formal and very impressive. We need to make sure that we appear to be a suitable candidate for this job. So, dear Sir or Madam, I am writing to apply for the position of Senior Software Engineer that was advertised in the Sunday Times on May the 29th. As you can see in my CV, which I have attached, I have 7 years of experience in information technology in the information technology industry. I graduated from Necru University in April 2010 with a bachelor's degree in computer science, no plural, computer science, and my skills include developing applications using Java, as well as middleware integration tools such as Oracle, Fusion, and web methods. I have excellent communication skills, and I am used to working unsupervised. I am free to work weekends, or I am willing and able to work weekends, holidays, and overtime. I am a team player and generally complete the majority of my tasks on time. I would say generally complete my work on time, or generally complete my tasks on time. If you say most of my work, what this demonstrates is that you always submit some work late, which is not what an employer wants to see. At present, I have held the same position at Infosys Limited for 3 years. In the course of my current role, I have planned work for the engineers under me, and report the status to higher authorities, or progress, and produce progress reports for higher authorities. I would like to add that I am familiar with all the job requirements for the advertised role. If you find my skills and experience suitable, please do contact me to schedule an interview. I am looking forward to discussing my credentials with you in person. Let's refer to the face-to-face meeting. Thank you, no plural on thanks. Thank you for your time and consideration. Yours faithfully, Mr. Teja. Wonderful. Already you have a very good grasp of formal English writing. I don't think you will struggle at all to achieve above a band 7. So let's keep going with these corrections and see just how high we can get you. Speak soon, Teja. Have a nice day.